Hello, and welcome to 12-Minute Meditation. This is your weekly podcast from Mindful that offers mindfulness meditations that are backed by neuroscience. 12 minutes of meditation a day can often be enough to heal some of the benefits that we look for with meditation, like increased attention, focus, creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion. That's what the latest scientific research is yielding. So here, on this podcast, we invite you to do your 12-minute practice with us. Along with guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts, we bring you a new practice each week so that you have a new way to bring the benefits of mindfulness into your daily life. I'm Chelsea Arsenal, and I'm the Director of Advertising at Mindful and Mindful.org, and this week Shamash Alidina leads us through a practice for strengthening response flexibility. Drawing from his acclaimed course, ACT for Beginners, Shamash will lead you through the 6 flexibility skills of the ACT process using the acronym ACTION. Shamash Alidina is a seasoned mindfulness practitioner and renowned author of 10 best-selling books, including Mindfulness for Dummies and The Mindful Way Through Stress. Based in London, Shamash is a dedicated educator who has trained nearly 500 mindfulness teachers and has pioneered online mindfulness teacher training, constantly staying up to date with his latest findings. You can subscribe to 12 Minutes of Meditation while you're on mindful.org or wherever you find your favorite podcast. And if you're moved to leave us a review, we'd be grateful, and so will other listeners. Your review helps them decide whether 12 minutes of meditation is for them. But for now, for you, here's Shamash Alidina.
I'd like to warmly welcome you to this 12-minute guided meditation rooted in the principles of acceptance and commitment training, often referred to as ACT. ACT is a mindful, values-directed approach. It's designed to help you connect with what's truly important to you, even as you face pain and struggle that inevitably comes with life. ACT is powerful because it encourages you to embrace your thoughts and feelings rather than fighting them or even feeling guilty for them. It's both a therapeutic model and a training model, and it fosters acceptance, presence, and meaningful action. In this meditation, we'll use an acronym I've developed, which is simply the word action, to guide you through the steps of ACT. I will go through each letter in turn and guide you through the whole process. Let's begin. Begin by finding a comfortable posture for you. It could be seated, lying down, or you can even do some mindful movement or mindful walking as you listen to this. Step A stands for acceptance, allowing, and it's about bringing a sense of kindness. Begin by taking a nice, slow, deep breath in, holding it for a moment, and then exhaling slowly. Allow yourself to sink into this moment, fully accepting your present moment experience here and now as best you can. You are here, you are alive, and it's okay to just be as you are. Treating yourself and your current feelings and sensations with a sense of kindness, compassion, patience. C stands for cognitive diffusion. or more simply, just unhooking from your thoughts. Notice and acknowledge any thoughts or any worries that may be swirling in your mind. Instead of fighting them or pushing them away, simply notice them. Imagine they're like on leaves, floating by on a stream, or clouds floating through the sky, or even in bubbles floating away, creating that space between you and your thoughts, and beginning to unhook from them. T stands for Transcendent Self, or being the observer of your experience. Imagine you're the observer of your thoughts, your feelings, your bodily sensations. They are part of your experience, but they don't have to define you. You are more than just your thoughts and more than just your feelings. You can think of yourself as the transcendent self, the silent observer, the consciousness behind all experiences, open, aware, and free of them. I stands for being in the moment, being present. Feel the gentle sensation of your breath as it moves in and out. Notice the feeling of your body against the chair or floor or cushion. Noticing the temperature of the body. Noticing and making space for the sounds around you. Allowing your senses to anchor you in the present moment. O stands for opening to your heart's values. Reflecting on what truly matters to you. Is it being kind to yourself and others? Being curious? Being open? Perhaps connecting to others or something else? Imagine your heart like a blooming flower, opening up to receive what you most value. Let these values guide your life, guide your actions. Feel a meaningful sense of commitment to living in accordance to your values. What gives you purpose? And the final letter, N, stands for navigating with meaningful action. Imagine that you can turn these values that matter so much to you into meaningful action, into your everyday life. Imagine yourself navigating through your day, making choices aligned with your values, treating each moment and each action you take as a form of mindfulness, as a form of meditation. Whether you're working, caring for others, or simply resting, seeing yourself doing your activities with intention, with presence, with love, with your values. Now, slowly bringing your awareness back to your surroundings. Taking in another deep breath in, holding it, and slowly exhaling. And reminding yourself of the principles, action. A is for acceptance. C, cognitive diffusion or unhooking from your thoughts. T for transcendent self, observing your experiences from your deeper self, your transcendent self. I for in the moment, being present. O for opening up to your heart's values. And N, navigating through your life with meaningful action. Taking these principles with you as you move through your life, turning each moment into an opportunity for a meditation or a meaningful action. Thank you for joining this guided ACT meditation taken from my ACT for Beginners course. I hope you are able to carry this sense of presence and connection with you, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you for listening to this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from Mindful and mindful.org. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us. We'll be back in 7 days with another meditation for you.